Hi, happy morning to all. Today's topic is smile. Smile is most important in everybody's life. It gives energy booster for human being. Abbreviation for smile is S for strength, M for motivation, I for identity, L for love yourself, E for enthusiasm. First, we are going to know about the strength. Strength are two types, mental strength and physical strength. We have to inbuild both the strength. Mental strength we can improve by doing meditation and pranayama. Physical strength we can improve by doing regular exercises like jogging, walking and yoga. If you practice daily both the things in your life just as a part, you can improve yourself. You can keep your body and mind in a healthy and proper way, in happy way also. We can improve our strength a lot. That gives positive energy, positive strength and positive results in your life. Next one, motivation. Motivation is most important. That means strong determination in your life. If you are doing any work, you should have strong determination to finish that work. I can do it. I can finish that work within a time. I can achieve. I can get good and best results. This type of motivation needs each and every person. Always improve your positive motivation. Don't improve negative motivation. If you start any work with motivated ideas, you can finish that work in a smooth manner. For that you need backup planning, preparation and presentation. If you follow all these things, you can finish your work in a smooth way. You will get good, best and better results. Next one, identity. We need three types of identities: professional identity, personal identity and social identity. Professional identity means if you are an employee, you have to improve healthy relationship with your colleagues and executives. It gives good results in your work mode. You are the happiest person in the office if you build this in a smooth and healthy manner. Always happy and cheerful and enjoy with your friends, colleagues and officers and executives. It gives positive results. You can succeed in your official life also. You will get good promotions. Everybody likes you. Next one, personal. Personal identity means in your family, you have to improve healthy and good relationship with your parents, children and friends and also with relatives. Always improve healthy relationship and happy relationship with them. Then social identity. We are in the society. We need each and every person in your life. Always improve good relationship with others. We can take guidelines and help from them. Some are painful, some are painless, but all are priceless. We need that motivation, strength and identity. If you have good, healthy, cheerful and happy relationship with others, you can achieve anything in your life. You can reach your goals in an easy and smooth way. It gives best results in your life. Next one, love yourself. Always you should have confidence on yourself. First, you have to notice what are the strengths we are having and what are the weakness we are having. You have to judge both in an equal way, but always choose strength only. Keep aside weakness. Try to improve strength. Everybody have their hidden talents. Try to improve that one in a positive way. Then only life is happy. Your relationship in a happy way. You will get good thoughts, healthy thoughts. Because of that, you are in a happy mood. Always you can choose your work in a positive way. If you face negativity also, no need to worry. With this positive nature, you can change that negativity into a positive way. That is the plus in your life. Don't waste your energy to worry. Always use your energy to believe. If you believe things, you can achieve anything in your life. Everything is in a smooth way. Last one, enthusiasm. That means sportiveness. Always be sportive and enthusiastic. While doing work, if you show this one, you can finish that work within a minutes. You will get best results. You can attract others also if you finish that work in a time, within a time. That is the better way in your life. Always be sportive, be energetic and be enthusiastic. Don't degrade yourself. Always have high attitudes. If you have high attitudes, you can achieve anything with struggle, with hard work, and you can do anything easily. If you are in an enthusiastic mood, it captures others' hearts. You can build healthy relationship. Life is like a mirror. If you smile at it, it will smile to you. Relationship is like a water. No shape and no color. Always you have to build and improve your relationship in a healthy, smooth and happy way. One best thing, that is revenge. Smile is also one of the solution for revenge. If you meet any enemy, sometimes if you give small and sweet smile to him, it is the best revenge. He will definitely realize what he made against you. That we have to capture. You have to improve and inbuild yourself. Smile can achieve anything. Smile is the sweet. It's just like sugar and honey. You need this one 110% in your life. Any worry, you can live with a sweet smile. Smile attracts others' hearts. Everybody impressed on you with a sweet smile. This is the best lesson in your life. So, always be in a cheerful and smile mood and get through your hurdles and better to succeed in your life. This is the positive motivation and strong determination and achievement in your life. Hope everybody will like this video. Thank you.